Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Now we will start from the textbook Honeydew, and our first lesson is the best Christmas present in the world. So before you read the lesson, see the given paragraph here. There are some dates or periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembered them. Some world events are so significant that we all know them. For example, American Revolution, which was placed between the 1775 to 1783, like it, French Revolution, World War I, World War II. So some are these the events of the world, we all know them. Okay, so and today we are going to discuss about the story of such one event, that is the World War. The story you will read mention one such date and event. A war between the first British and German in the year 1914. Can you guess which war it was? So our story, our lesson is about such one event of world history, and it was war. That war was fought between British and German, and it was in the year 1914. So which war, can you guess? Which war was fought between British and German in the year 1914? Do you know? It is First World War. You have to know that the First World War was fought between the year 1914 to 1919. There are two world wars. First World War and Second World War. First World War fought between the year 1914 to 1919. And Second World War, it was fought between the year 1939 to 1945. Okay, so we are going to discuss about First World War. Our story is revolved around First World War. Okay, see here some dates are given. You have to know which event refers this date. આ ડેટ પર કયો ઇવેન્ટ બન્યો છે? ઓકે, સો ગેસ. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ 4th July 1776. Which event take place on this date? It is American Declaration of Independence. American Declaration of Independence is on 4th July 1776. Now see the second B, 17 December 1903. 17 December 1903. Which event take place on this date? કયો ઇવેન્ટ બન્યો આ ડેટે? It is Wilbur and Orville made the first flight. Wilbur and Orville made the first flight. Okay, now see 6th August 1945. 6th August 1945. That is the 1945, it is the end of Second World War. Okay, so 6th August, what happened on 6th August? It is Hiroshima Day. America hurled a bomb, atom bomb on Hiroshima. Hiroshima is the city of Japan. Okay, so America hurled a atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These are the two cities of Japan. અમેરિકાએ જાપાનની two city ઉપર એટમ બોમ્બ ફેંક્યો. Okay, that is the date 6th August 1945. And D. See the date of D. 30 January 1948. It is the, we all know, okay, it is the date of death of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay. Now E, next date, 12th April 1961. 12th April 1961. On this day, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the earth. અર્થનું ચક્કર લગાવનાર ફર્સ્ટ હ્યુમન. અને કયા દિવસે એમણે અર્થનું એક ઓર્બિટ પૂરું કર્યું, ચક્કર લગાવ્યું? તો 12th April 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the earth. Okay. Now last date, 20 July 1969. 20 July 1969. On this day, Neil Armstrong, I hope you all know the name, Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. Neil Armstrong set his foot on the moon. So 20 July 1969. So these are some important dates of the world you have to know. Now let's start our story. This story is in form of letter and the live experience of one British soldier who fought World War I. This story is in form of letter and it is a live experience of one British soldier who fought World War I. And he was Mr. Jim McPherson. Mr. Jim McPherson, who wrote a letter to his wife, Mrs. Connie McPherson. In his letter, Jim wrote about whatever he experienced during the World War period. So this is our story about. So in this story, there are three characters: Mr. Jim McPherson, Mrs. Connie McPherson. Mr. Jim McPherson was a British soldier. Mr. Jim McPherson was a British soldier. Mrs. Connie McPherson, she was wife of Mr. Jim McPherson. And third character is Hans Wolf. He was a German soldier. So there are three characters in our story. Now, this is the story narrated by Michel Morpurgo, our writer. Our author is Michel Morpurgo. He was a renowned British writer and most of his stories are revolves around the war. Now in the first part, we will see how our narrator, how our author, who is the author of this story? Mr. Michel Morpurgo. Okay, so in the first part, we will see how our author or narrator got that letter of Mr. Jim McPherson. Okay, so you got it? આ સ્ટોરીમાં આ સ્ટોરી શું છે? એક લેટરના ફોર્મમાં આપેલી છે. આ લેટર કોણે લખ્યો છે? મિસ્ટર જીમ મેકફર્સને લખ્યો છે. આ જીમ મેકફર્સન કોણ છે? જીમ મેકફર્સન ઇઝ વન બ્રિટિશ સોલ્જર. અને જીમ મેકફર્સન wrote a letter to his wife. એના વાઇફને લેટર લખે છે. Who is the wife of Mr. Jim McPherson? Connie McPherson. Okay, she is the wife of Mr. Jim McPherson. તો આ લેટર જીમ મેકફર્સને કોની મેકફર્સનને લખ્યો છે અને ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટમાં આપણે જાણવાનું છે કે આપણા નેરેટર આપણા ઓથરને આ જીમનો લેટર કેવી રીતે મળે છે. ઓકે, જીમનો લેટર ઓથરને કેવી રીતે મળે આપણે જોઈએ ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ. ઓકે, નાવ વી વિલ રીડ ધ ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ. Everyone seen the book? I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. Bridport is a city of England. A roll-top desk. I means here our author, our narrator. Who is the author? Michel Morpurgo. So our author narrated the story and he wrote that I spotted in a junk shop in Bridport. Spotted means I saw. મેં કંઈક જોયું. જંક શોપ એટલે કબાડીની દુકાન. કબાડીની દુકાન ક્યાં આવેલી છે? બ્રિડપોર્ટ. ઓકે, શું એણે કંઈક જોયું. શું જોયું? He saw a roll-top desk. A roll-top desk means a writing table with flexible top. Okay, so he saw a table or a roll-top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. So જે શોપકીપરનો ઓનર છે આપણે કહ્યું કે ઇટ વોઝ અર્લી 19th સેન્ચુરી છે. આ જે રોલટોપ છે, રોલટોપ ડેસ્ક છે એ 19th સેન્ચુરીનું છે એન્ડ ઇટ વોઝ મેડ બાય ઓક વુડ. આ જે ટેબલ છે શેનું બનેલું છે? ઓક વુડનું બન્યું છે. ઓકે, આઈ હેડ વોન્ટેડ વન. સો નેરેટર થોટ દેટ આઈ હેડ વોન્ટેડ વન. મને આવું એક જોઈએ જ છે બટ they were far too expensive. ઓક ટ્રીનું જે ઓક વુડનું જે બન્યું હોય ટેબલ ઓર એની ફર્નિચર ઇટ વોઝ વેરી એક્સપેન્સિવ સો he could not purchase. So I had wanted one but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. આ જે રોલટોપ છે, રોલટોપ ડેસ્ક ઓર ટેબલ છે ઇટ વોઝ ઇન અ બેડ કન્ડિશન. બહુ સારું નથી. ધ રોલટોપ ઇન સેવરલ પીસીસ. ઉપરનું જે રોલટોપ છે ફ્લેક્સિબલ ટોપ જે છે ઇટ વોઝ ઇન અ સેવરલ પીસીસ. ભાંગેલું છે, તૂટેલું છે. વન લેગ ક્લમ્ઝીલી મેન્ડેડ. બેડલી જોઈન કરેલું છે. એનો એક લેગ છે તૂટી ગયેલો છે પણ એને ક્લમ્ઝીલી મેન્ડેડ બેડલી એને જોઈન કર્યું છે. Scotch marks all down one side. This is the narration of a table or a roll-top desk. કેવું છે roll-top desk? તો it was a roll-top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended. Scotch mark means burn marks. So burn marks all down વન સાઈડ. એક સાઈડ પર આખું સળગી ગયેલું હોય એવા કેટલાક શાઇન્સ છે. ઇટ વોઝ ગોઈંગ ફોર વેરી લિટલ મની. ધો ઇટ વોઝ મેડ ફોર ઓક ટ્રી ઓર ઓક વુડ બટ ઇટ વોઝ ઇન અ બેડ કન્ડિશન. સો it is very little money. So it was going for means was selling for. એ ઘણા ઓછા પૈસામાં, ખરાબ કન્ડિશનમાં છે સો ઘણા ઓછા પૈસામાં મળવાનું છે. આઈ થોટ આઈ કુડ રિસ્ટોર ઇટ. સો અવર ઓથર થોટ દેટ he could restore it. Restore it means repair. So he could repair it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. આવું બેડ કન્ડિશનમાં જે ટેબલ છે એને પરચેઝ કરવું ઇટ ઇઝ અ ચેલેન્જ બટ આઈ હેડ ટુ હેવ ઇટ. મને આ જોઈએ જ છે. આઈ પેઇડ ધ મેન એન્ડ બ્રોટ ઇટ બેક ટુ માય વર્કરૂમ એટ ધ બેક ઓફ ધ ગરાજ. એણે પે કર્યું એ મેનને એન્ડ અવર ઓથર પે ફોર ધ રોલટોપ ડેસ્ક એન્ડ બ્રોટ ઇટ ટુ his workroom. એના વર્કરૂમમાં લઈ આવ્યા. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. એન્ડ એણે થોડું એના ઉપર કામ કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું રોલ ટોપ ડેસ્ક પર. ઓકે, સો રિપેર કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું. ઓન વિચ ડે? ઓન ક્રિસમસ ઇવ. ક્રિસમસ ઇવ મીન્સ ધ ડે બિફોર ક્રિસમસ. The day before Christmas. On which day the Christmas? The Christmas is on the day 25th December, and the day before means 24 December. So he was work on the roll top desk on 24th December. Okay, now see the next paragraph. I removed the roll top completely. ઉપરનું જે રોલ ટોપ છે એ આખું રિમૂવ કાઢી નાખ્યું. એન્ડ પુલ્ડ આઉટ ધ ડ્રોવર્સ. હી ટ્રાઇંગ ટુ પુલ આઉટ ધ ડ્રોવર્સ. ડ્રોવરને ખેંચવાનું ટ્રાય કરે છે. ધ વિનીર હેડ લિફ્ટેડ ઓલમોસ્ટ એવરીવેર. વિનીર મીન્સ અ થિન લેયર ઓફ પ્લાસ્ટિક. Here the meanings of the words are also given. You have to write down them into your English notebook. Okay, veneer means a thin layer of plastic or decorative wood or furniture or cheap wood. Okay, cheap wood ઉપર જે લેયર લગાવેલું હોય પ્લાસ્ટિકનું, it is veneer. It had to lifted almost everywhere. બધી જગ્યા ઉપર ફેલાયેલું છે આ ટેબલમાં. It looked like water damage to me. Water damaged all the roll top. વોટરે આખું બગાડી નાખ્યું છે આ રોલ ટોપ ડેસ્કને. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. Taken their toll means damage. Water and fire both damage the whole roll top desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. Stuck fast means shut tight. The last drawer of that table was very tightly shut. બહુ ફિટ ધંકાયેલું હતું. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. ઓથરે એને ખોલવાની ટ્રાય કરી. In the end I used brute force. But roll top deskનું last drawer, it was not opened. So our author at the end, he used brute force. Brute force means heavy strength. He used heavy strength. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. When our author heavy strength and the roll top desk was, last drawer of the roll top desk was opened. There was a secret drawer he see underneath the roll top desk. So એણે આ ખાનાની અંદર, you can see it's over here, the last drawer he can open, and there is a one drawer or one shallow space is there, you can see in the picture. There was something in there. કંઈક છે આની અંદર. આ જે shallow space દેખાય છે એની અંદર કંઈક છે. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. અંદર જોયું, અંદરથી કંઈક મળ્યું. શું હતું? It was a small black tin box. નાનું એક ટીન બોક્સ હતું બ્લેક કલરનું. And it was shallow taped. On the top of it was a piece of lined note paper. અને એમાંથી શું મળ્યું? આ જે ટીન બોક્સ છે, it was shallow taped. ઉપર ટેપ લગાવી છે અને એની અંદર શું છે? was a piece of lined note paper. અંદર ટીન બોક્સની અંદર મૂકેલું એક નોટ પેપર છે. And written on it in shaky handwriting. અને એના ઉપર કંઈક લખ્યું છે ટીન બોક્સ પર. શું લખ્યું છે? ઇન અ શેકી હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ, એટલે ખરાબ હેન્ડરાઇટિંગ, બેડ હેન્ડરાઇટિંગની અંદર લખ્યું છે. શું લખ્યું છે? જીમ્સ લાસ્ટ લેટર રિસીવ્ડ January 25, 1915. So what was written on that black tin box? That it was a Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915. જીમનો લાસ્ટ લેટર છે એન્ડ એ ક્યારે મળ્યો? It was received on the date January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. When the time comes means when I dead. When હું જ્યારે મરી જાઉં. When the time comes means when I dead. હું જ્યારે મરી જાઉં ત્યારે આને પણ મારી સાથે જ મૂકવું. To be buried with me when time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box. So to open someone's personal thing is a bad manner, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. Scruple means feeling that make you hesitate to do something wrong. Scruple. So curiosity means to know something. જાણવાની બહુ ઈચ્છા હોય તો એને ક્યુરિયોસિટી કહેવાય. સો it is not right to see someone's personal thing, but curiosity, I have curiosity, so I opened that letter and I think I am hesitated to open that box, but I want to know what is there in the box, so I opened it. Inside the box there was an envelope. Box ની અંદર શું છે? There was an envelope. The address read, and the address was written on that letter was Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beeches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. અને લેટર કાઢ્યો અને અનફોલ્ડ કર્યો, ખોલી નાખ્યો. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26, 1914. So this letter was written by Jim McPherson and written on the date December 26, 1914. This is the date of the letter when it was written. જ્યારે લેટર લખાયો એ ડેટ છે. And who wrote this letter? Mr. Jim McPherson. And when this letter was received on the date January 25, 1915. Okay, now see, here are some questions. Our author Michel Morpurgo got the letter of Jim McPherson. ઓકે, આવી રીતે આપણા ઓથરને શું મળી ગયું? જીમનો લેટર. ઓકે, કોઇન્સિડન્ટલી અને જીમનો લેટર મળ્યો છે. ફાઇન. નાઉ સી ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આર ગિવન હિયર. સી ધેમ. What did the author find in a junk shop? Junk shopમાં શું મળ્યું? The author found a roll-top desk in a junk shop. શું મળ્યું એને? A roll-top desk. Okay, so author found a roll-top desk in a junk shop. Okay, now see the second question. What did he find in a secret drawer? Who do you think had put it in there? What did he find in a secret drawer? A secret drawer મેને શું મળ્યું? He found a letter. He found a letter in a secret drawer. And who do you think had put it in there? અને આ લેટર કોણે મૂક્યો હશે એની અંદર? So I think the previous owner of roll-top desk. roll-top deskના previous owner હતા. I think he had put it in there. Okay, so these are two questions. You have to remember them. Now the second part we will see in the next video. Take care, students.